What's up? Welcome to the channel. High quality trade setups, where I give you my highest quality trade ideas and my overall thoughts on where I think the market is going this week. First up, I have Meta. Meta had quite the volatile week last week. I actually held a position from 2 Fridays ago, which turned out to be total shit because basically opened up flat around 480 and then kind of had a slow trickle the first part of the week and then quite a big move um, later in the week, Thursday, Friday. With Friday having quite the volatile day of a about $25 move early on in the morning, and then a nice snapback of $10, $12 there at the end of the day, which was very unexpected. I was actually in a different trade that threw me off guard towards the second half of the day and turned in a good morning into a bad afternoon. That's for sure. But I have been looking at Meta now as a possible trade for this week because it's now breaking our downward trend line for the second time. And in my experience, the second time is a very ideal time to buy, seeing as how it faked out everybody, including me last week, and took all my money. Just kidding. I got out on Wednesday before the breakdown. Just wasn't feeling good about it. And actually, I was watching the MACD here, just kind of start curling down. So, which is a sure sign to get the hell out. Yeah. So I was out somewhere about right here, I think, on the MACD. Which I mean, I had bought it on last Friday because of this move, right? It's breaking the downward trend line here. And I'm like, hell yeah, we're going to 482 and to fill this gap on the daily. But nope, that was not the plan for last week. But now that we got the second break, I believe the chances are a lot higher that we'll see this move up to these price targets that I have here and ultimately back up to all-time highs if the rest of the market uh, can cooperate as well. But yeah, so come Monday, tomorrow morning, I plan on buying this one first thing and then just letting it ride. Hopefully, what I'd like to see is the MACD here continue to uh, make smaller and smaller bars on the downside here to eventually turning green like here, and then us getting some kind of forward movement, upward movement. So um, that's the only trade really that I have for this week, and it seems like SPY here is also breaking out. So I mean, this also looks like a great trade. I think we do have the MACD just barely turning green, which is one of my favorite signals to follow. And we're coming off from being pretty oversold on the RSI here. So yeah, I mean, tomorrow we should at least fill this gap up here at 529 and then come try to attack this high here at 531, and then ultimately back up to all-time highs. I don't know if it'll be this week, next week, or you know, some crazy price action. Whatever news we got coming out this week could just, say turn this into a false breakout, and then we possibly complete this uh broadening wedge pattern that I have here. And then, I mean, that was just a whole different story itself. If this possibly broke to the downside, I mean, that puts us back down, testing this low here at 499. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and I'll give you another update come tomorrow, and just my overall thoughts on where I think we're going. So thanks for watching. Peace.